check this out. Isn't it beautiful out here? Why is it important to get your pond cleaned out and get your fountain started right? What are you going to do with that snowball? No! Hey everyone, this is Clay from A Frog's Dream in Long Valley, New Jersey, and I'm here to bring you this week's Weekly Ribbit. So it's spring, or next week it's gonna actually be spring. What are you guys doing? Snowman! Woohoo! Look at... Oh, what happened? Look at that. Check it out, all the snow everywhere. It's March. You guys are working hard. Oh my gosh, what you have there? Carrots. Oh, right at the... But we talk about pond cleanings all the time, or getting your fountain running, and the question we get asked a lot is it really important? Do I really have to do that? Why is it important to get your pond cleaned out and get your fountain started right?
Get a fresh start. Get all the bad stuff from the winter that accumulated, and fresh water will be nice for the fish.
And you got to kind of think of a cleaning kind of like a yearly physical for yourself. Pond professionals come in, they drain the pond or they drain your fountain down, and they check all the systems of the pond, including your fish. We'll check your fish health. A pond cleaning is important to the health of your pond and your fish, just like a physical is important to us. And during the winter time, all kinds of stuff accumulates in there. The pond gets disgusting or the fountain gets gross, and it just needs to be checked up on. And that's really what we're doing for you. So that is why we recommend having your pond cleaned, or even you doing it yourself, because if you get in there, you can check all of that stuff too. You can check the pump, you can check the fish health and make sure everything's going okay. And if it's not, then you'll know, and you can take the proper steps to get your pond healthy, get your fish healthy again, or get your fountain or waterfall going again so that you can enjoy it throughout the summer months. So we're here today. We're spring cleaning the garage. What are we doing out here today?
We're cleaning out all these mess that we left up.
Look at this, a mess. Over the winter, everything accumulates in this garage. To get that all done so that we can properly function once all this snow melts. That's this week's Weekly Ribbit. And don't forget, if this is your pond, make sure you click the link below that says I saw my pond to get your free AFD apparel. And if you have any questions, please make sure you click the link that says Weekly Ribbit question submission. Submit your questions, submit your pictures, and you too can be featured on the Weekly Ribbit. Thanks a lot for listening, everyone, and have a great week.